Everyone, welcome back to the Vijita Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Today I would like to discuss about some of the important questions as well as the 30% deleted content in the subject of the in the course of the livestock management and dairy technology for the first year students. Okay, so let me see the one by one. So before going to that, first of all we have to know that this is the syllabus of the vocational syllabus of the livestock management and dairy technology student. This is the syllabus. Okay, this is the syllabus. So there are the three subjects will be three papers will be this is the paper one syllabus. Okay, so tomorrow you are going to write this is the paper one. Okay, ruminant animal production and management. This is the things. Okay, I will provide the syllabus, not on the syllabus. I will provide the important questions as well as the 30% deleted content also. I don't know about this content even though some of the students requested. So that is the reason. Okay, I am trying to provide this content. I am not sure in this about, but don't worry about that. But you have to know the little bit thorough with the syllabus. Okay, so before going to that, each unit I am requesting all the students, please little bit you have to get the idea like a introduction about specific unit. For example, how many units are like a 7 units will be there, each and everything you should do thorough with the introduction about the particular units. Okay, if any question will be come to the in the particular unit, if you know the little bit a concept regarding that particular unit, you are if you are unable to write the question also by following this concept of the regarding particular unit, easily can able to explain, able to elaborate the question, isn't it? So this is the same a syllabus of the livestock management and dairy technology students. Okay, next coming to this is the okay, so this is the paper 3. So before going to I show now paper 1, paper 2, this is a paper 3. Paper 3 syllabus. So first of all we have to moving on to the paper 1 only actually. Tomorrow is a paper 1. So ruminant animal production management. So this is the name of the units. Will how many units are there? 8 units will be there, like introduction, confirmation points of different ruminants. So what is the meaning of ruminants, and you have to, so here the weightage of the marks will be like a care and management of ruminant animals. Okay, you have to little bit focusing on this unit now, care and management of ruminant animals. This is the weightage of the 10 marks will be there. First preference we have to give to the fifth unit. Okay, and next come in second preference like a breeds of dairy, okay, cattle, buffaloes and sheep and goats, and second, third housing, hygiene and sanitation livestock farms. Okay, next third preference. Fourth preference infection and breeding of ruminant animals, and last preference activities in livestock farm. Okay, and lactation and milking methods. Okay, so first and foremost we have to focusing on the sixth, not okay, fifth unit, care and management of ruminant animals. You may have the 10 marks weightage will be there. It's clear. Okay, introduction you may have the 2 marks only. So here equal priority you should give, and sir one more, sorry, here the seventh unit, reproductive system A1. Okay, this is the fifth unit, and one more is the seventh unit. It's clear. First of all you have to thorough with the fifth unit and thorough with the seventh unit, and again second, third, fourth and sixth as well as the eighth unit, and lastly anyhow you will thorough with the first unit, no, isn't it? So that is the reason, no need of worry about it. This is the introduction. Okay, introduction first unit also, this is the okay, little bit you have to have the little bit idea how many sub units will be there in another unit, what is the main concept, what is the idea, little bit you have to get the awareness regarding first unit. Okay, so next unit is that this is the first in activities in ruminant livestock farms. This is the, how many units are there, say here. First here in paper 1 8 units will be there, like a second unit, third unit, fourth unit, fifth unit, and see here sixth and seventh and next 8. It's clear now. So you have to thorough with the first, I think fifth one is fifth and last, reproduction system is a very important units. Okay, so next coming to the I will show the wait now. So I will show the this is the livestock manage for the second one. So wait, I will show you. Okay, so this is the one like a deleted 30% deleted content in view of COVID and pandemic. So this whatever I'm providing this content now, so no need of study, no need of read. These questions may not come to for your examinations. Okay, like 8 units will be there, no, and unit 1, what is the shape, this is the lifestyle. So this is the topics. First you should know thorough with the topics. These topics no need. Based on the topics only you may get the 2 marks question and 6 marks questions. Okay, these topics you have to thorough. Okay, if you when you are reading the if you this questions will come now, so no you can avoid it. So these are the topics. This is a 30% deleted content. Then okay, 30% deleted content of this. Okay, it's clear. Next, okay, care and management of ruminant animals is this is the foremost unit I told no. So these some of the topics are deleted. And next, seventh unit also important for the highest marks. So 6 marks questions it may come. Okay, 6 and 7 repeated, like 30% deleted content, 6 units, 7th unit and 8 units. Clear? Okay, so we are moving on to the okay question paper. So here the model question paper will be there, like a so this is a paper 3. So wait no paper wait. See here no, like one of the model question paper, ruminant animal production and management. So these are the model question paper. You have to thorough with this questions, 2 marks questions. You may have the 2 marks questions and then 6 marks questions will be there. There is no choice in the section A, like a GFC. How you have written like a GFC, same all the question patterns will be like that only. So no need of worry. Don't leave any questions. Whatever you are writing, it just you have to underline. You can keep the apostrophe s. It will get a good impression who are correct in the paper. So these are the important questions. Okay, name the parts on the head of it. So if I read no, I'm not expert in dealing with your subject. Okay, so these are all so 6 marks questions, like a not cough or call for. These are all the important questions. You can read it. You have to thorough with all the whatever I'm providing the like a, it may be model question paper or important aspects also. You have to thorough with all the question papers, isn't it? So next come to these are some of the one more question paper, like a model question paper, ruminant animal production and management. So first you have to thorough with this one, and next one more paper here will be there, no, like a okay, what is ewe and breeding bull and teaser bull. So these are all the important questions you have to thorough and you have to read. So don't leave any like a introduction, like a how many units are there in like a 8 units will be there, no. You have to thorough with all the units, at least some of the when you are dealing with the topic, when your madam will dealing with all the subjects, no. So they may tell sometimes this is an important question, they may ask 2 marks question like that, no. You have whatever you understand that important, underline that important aspects, you have to thorough with these important aspects. Okay, these are all the important things. Next section A, important aspects, ma. So next coming to the 6 marks questions. Okay, hand milking, machine milking, describe in detail the advantage, disadvantages of the AI, describe the precautions to be taken before after pasteurization. Okay, so this is also one of the important. Explain daily routine and periodical farm operation in dairy farm, methods of weaning dairy animals, describe the care and management of milk animals. Okay, detail about grading up in buffaloes. Okay, what are the points to be considered while selection of site for livestock, right breed characteristics, and okay, these are all the things will be there now. You have to thorough. So next coming to one more question paper here, one more paper. So name the parts in the head portion of the cattle cooling. So this is so many times this is repeat now. This one. Okay, milk yielding. Okay, A and ETT also conventional dairy. Okay, clipping and tagging, weaning, storage, milk storage, and for frozen semen, lactation, lactogenesis, grading up. Okay, these are all important questions only. Okay, external body parts, characteristics of the following breeds. Ongol Gita is a very famous, no. This is the some of the also in freezer, pasteurization. So these are some of the topics are very important. Crossbreeding, crossbreeding is also important. Management of care and management of this is also important. Okay, management of pregnant animal, different methods of identification of the livestock, breeding up, advantages. These are all the important questions only. Okay. So next coming to the one more. This one actually okay. Up to here, na? It's clear now. So these are the only important topics. I don't know about this your subject, even though some of the students request also for that's the reason. Don't worry, don't get any tension by whatever I'm providing this content. It may be like a model question paper or whatever it may be also. You have to thorough with all the 3 questions. Definitely you will pass and definitely you will get the good marks. So I am giving assurance for you people. Trust me, trust yourself. Okay, not only trust on me. First of all, you have to gain the positive. When you are reading, you have to develop the positiveness, self confidence, the best confidence for everyone to win the ever. Okay, for willing. Okay, to win the anything also, first of all you have to develop the confidence, isn't it? So that is the reason self confidence is the best confidence for everyone. Okay, whatever I'm providing content, first you have to thorough with all the questions. Definitely you will pass, definitely you will get the good marks. I am giving prompts to all the people. Okay, so thanks for watching my channel. Okay, sorry for the delay with this content. I have a little bit of work at home, and also I don't have any contents. I am going on thinking. So students are asking, but what type of content, I don't know content, but how in what way I can provide the content for you too. That is the reason I delayed for uploading this content, even though you have to thorough with this content. So sorry for that. Okay, once again, a very all the best to all. Thank you all once again.